Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter, chapter 7 Light, Sound, and Force. So, students, tell me what is light? Your eyes need light to see many things. You can see the things when light falls on them. Light is very important. All living things on the earth depends on the energy from the sunlight. So student, light is a form of energy which our eyes can detect. And light is made up of electromagnetic radiations, so it travels in straight path always. And the sun is the main source of light. Now talking about the source of light. Anything that gives light is called the source of light. Luminous objects give out light and therefore shine. The sun is the natural source of light on the earth. Like electric bulb, torch, candle, and electric lamp are luminous objects. The sun and all luminous source of light have light of their own, and objects that do not have light of their own are called non-luminous objects. So students, firstly we learn about source of light. What is a source of light? Any source or object which emit its own light is known as source of light. And what is luminous objects? Any objects that gives off light of its own is called luminous objects. The sun is the natural source, and electric bulb, torch, candle, electric lamp are the luminous objects, but they are artificial. So the sun and all luminous source of the light have light there of its own. Now talking about non-luminous objects. So any object that does not emit light of its own, but they reflect light from a luminous objects is called a non-luminous objects. Okay. Talking about the examples of non-luminous objects are table, chair, book, wood, and many more. You can see non-luminous things only when light fall on them. They does not emit light of their its own, but they reflects light from a luminous object. Okay, students. Now talking about traveling of light. Light travels in a straight line always. When light is switched on, the light rays travel fast. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. It travels much faster than sound. Okay, now talking about transparent, translucent, and opaque. So, objects that allow light to pass through them are called the transparent objects. So, transparent objects are those objects which we can see them through clearly, and objects that does not allow some light to pass through them. When objects that allow some light to pass through them are called translucent objects, and when light or any object does not allow any light to pass through them are known as opaque objects. Okay students, like glass, like plate, like log, steel plate, these are the examples of transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Now students, talking about formation of a shadow. So a shadow is formed when something blocks the path of light. Shadow may change their size with the position of the source of light. Shadows are formed on the opposite side from the source of light. Like transparent objects, example glass, let the light to pass through them and do not form any shadow. So student, we need light to see things. We cannot see things in the dark. A shadow is a dark patch formed when a thing does not let light pass through it. It forms shadow. Okay, students. Now talking about sound. You hear sound like the ticking of a clock, clapping of your hands, or your own breathing sound. So, this is sound. So, sound is actually an energy that can be heard with the help of your own ears. Okay, students? Now, sound comes from the vibrations of object. Vibration is a quick movement of an object up and down or from side to side. Your lips and tongue give sound to your own words. You use the voice box in your throat to speak. The vibration of a spoken word can be left when you place your fingers on either side of your throat. So, student, sound is produced by vibrations, and vibrations are very fast. And when ear vibrates, sound is produced. When vibration reached our ears, we hear sound. Okay, students, I hope you all understand very well. We will continue next topic in next part of the video. Okay, students, thank you. Bye, children.